Diamond Contracting is putting the finishing touches on this Overland Park home. You'll see that we have James Hardie fiber cement siding in khaki brown. The trim is in James Hardie in the color cobblestone with the James Hardie crown molding. And as you can see, the canyon ledge stone in an autumn blend color makes a magnificent finishing touch. We've installed batten board shutters in black. If you're interested in having your home remodeled, give Diamond Contracting a call at 913-829-8665. Or you can find us on the web at www.diamondcompanies.net.